What is up, guys? Welcome back. Don't mind the mask, I'm actually at work today, but I wanted to get my lines done for my catch can. I wanted to show you guys how we put the fittings on and stuff like that. I have a vise here at work, so it makes it easier for me to hold the line and everything while tying everything down. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. It also works for like your oil returns and stuff like that. So here are all the fittings that I'm gonna use. I got two 90-degree ones that are coming off the valve cover, and then these two are going on the actual catch can itself. And then these lines here, I already pre-measured them before I cut these lines. So I measured them just to make sure that it fits from my valve cover to the catch can perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what to do to put these guys on. So once you guys figured out what length you need your line to be, I suggest putting electric tape on it so you can cut it. It'll give you a nice clean cut. That way these little steel cords aren't going all over the place. And then when you got to put it on the fitting, it will be a lot easier. Alright, so next you'll just take off the electric tape off, and then you unscrew the fitting. This is the end you're going to need. I suggest putting a lot of oil here and oil in here. That way it could go in smoother. And then you're going to put the line in the fitting. Try and twist, get it all the way in until it stops in here. Once it doesn't go in any further, then you'll get this end, and that end goes this way, and then that's where you're going to start tightening it in. Also, that's another reason why I use the vise, because I can actually put this on the vise. It'll hold the fitting in there, and then I'll be holding the line this way, putting force on it while I tighten it. That way it doesn't back its way out. Well, I'll actually put this end on the vise, hold that into place, and then twist the other side in. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, the final product. Nice and flush, clean. Looks real good. And now all I gotta do is finish all the other ones. But now you guys know how you can install these fittings on these lines. So anybody that's new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.